This is the 401k explained in 100 seconds. I'm Andy from Twin Finances, a channel where we talk about everything from personal finance to credit cards. To get started, the 401k is an investment account offered by your employer to encourage you to save for retirement. The 401k offers tax advantages that other investment accounts don't offer. There are two different types of 401ks, a traditional 401k and a Roth 401k. For a traditional 401k, you contribute money that has not been taxed yet. Once you withdraw the money, that is when you will pay taxes. So the easiest way to remember is that you won't pay taxes now, but you will pay taxes later. The Roth 401k is the complete opposite of this. With the Roth 401k, you contribute money that you already pay taxes on. Once you withdraw the money from your Roth 401k, you will not have to pay any taxes on it. So an easy way to remember is that you pay taxes now, but you won't pay taxes later. Once you contribute money to your 401k, then you can use that money to buy investments from a predetermined list. And this list will be decided by your employer. In 2024, the maximum amount that you can contribute to your 401k is $23,000. Most employers will offer something called an employer match. This is free money that your employer gives you to encourage you to contribute more money to your 401k. The last thing to know is that you must be at least 59 and a half years or older to withdraw money from your 401k without any penalties. And that is the 401k explained in 100 seconds.